Hi, being Nikki Diary friends. So today, the unicorn dies, but like in a good way. So I get pleasure of cutting her up. Okay, that sounds weird. Okay, first I'm gonna start with a little deflated parts.
You're gonna tell everybody where this beautiful unicorn came from?
It came from, what's his name?
Her name, Hallie.
No, what's the balloon guy's name?
Oh. Amazing Balloon Guy?
This came from Amazing Balloon Guy 101. That's what I'm gonna call him.
Our friend's bat mitzvah.
As my friend's bat mitzvah. So I'm gonna cut her up.
Now that she's dead, or dying.
Ooh. That scared me. Okay. Hair. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze some more parts because I don't want big loud pops on my video because it'll just be more loud. If you have headphones on, I do not recommend this video for headphone users. This brings me joy. Cut her eye color, which is actually really pretty.
Our eyes were so cool when they were first new and they blinked.
I know. I'm gonna keep this glow ball though. Oh, I lost it! Okay, I'm gonna find that later. Oh, found it. I found it! See there. Little glow ball. I cut her eyes out. Eye organs. Hashtag balloons. More eye organs, aka balloons. Okay, I'm really scared. I'm really scared about cutting up the body because it's gonna be so loud. It's gonna be really loud. That was really loud. Okay, I don't want to do the rest because I know it's gonna be like twice as loud.
It might not be.
Kind of reminds me of something. Oh my god, her body came detached. Her body came detached. Her body became detached. Ooh, cloud. I'm scared of doing this. Squeeze the heck out of her. I'm squeezing the heck out of her poor ball. You know what I just did? I just killed my unicorn. She lived a long life, aka like a month, like a couple weeks. But look at all the balloons I got. What do you think I should do with all these balloons, guys? I'm gonna make a craft out of them. I'm gonna make a craft out of them. I'm gonna make a craft out of them. The video will be posted today, like 5 minutes after this video is posted. So go watch that video. Bye. Oh wait, before you go, click the subscribe button and the like button and the bell, because I don't want you to miss anything. So bye.